Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 14 Pro and you can see its back glass is cracked, so I'm gonna replace the back glass and I'm gonna show you how to replace that. Keep watching and stay with me. I'm using heat 350 degree and airflow is 72, and we have to apply heat and keep removing. On this side we have to carefully remove it. That is magnet. If it's removed, it is not a big problem, we can put it back later on, but we're gonna apply some top of the magnet and keep removing slowly so it's not gonna come out. And here also we have to carefully remove it because here is microphone. Under that we don't want to apply heat on closely, we have to apply heat from a little bit far on bottom side. We don't want to heat very closely on that side, just a little bit far. We're gonna clean the bottom side. And here you can see the battery, top of the battery there is a magnet, so you have to be careful. We don't want to leak the battery. Just remove the magnet and slowly lift it up on side. You can see here is one magnet came out, but it's not a problem, we can put it back later on. before we put the new glass. And middle side just lifting up. There is the one magnet, two magnet, just remove it. We're gonna put it back later on. And that side also one IC is removed. We have to remove that one too, and we're gonna put it back later on. Yeah, there is another two, so we're gonna put it back all later on. We just lifting up the glass now.
Yeah.
We remove all side. Now we're gonna clean it on all side. Now we have to do it on camera side. Is a little bit hard to remove it. Sorry, my camera doesn't record at that time when I break on camera side. I just using fencing tool and break that top of the camera glass. Now I'm removing. We want to apply heat on top of the camera, just on side from little bit far. We're gonna apply some heat and keep removing. And middle of that we're gonna use an alcohol. You can find an alcohol on CBS or Walgreen. There is 99% alcohol. We're gonna use in later on. And you can see the punching tool. We break with that one top of the camera glass. This side a little bit hard to remove it because we cannot apply heat on top of the camera. That's a little bit hard. And also you can remove the front glass and remove the camera lens, then you can remove this top of the camera glass, but it is little hard to remove this front glass because if you try to remove and if it's break, it's cost more money. So we want to lifting up the new screen. Just carefully remove this camera top of the camera glass and apply some heat on side and middle of the glass. We're just using alcohol. And here we have to be careful, we cannot heat on there. You can see here is flashlight. If you apply some heat on top of that, flashlight will become out, so we don't want to heat there. Closely from a little bit far, we're gonna apply heat. And flashlight side also there is not that much hard glue under the glass. You can see it's not that hard. We have to use a screwdriver to remove this glass because it's very hard. We don't want to use this knife, it's gonna break. Gonna use it minus screw and easy to remove it. Also this side also you're gonna use the same thing, minus screw. You cannot rush it, you just use some alcohol and yeah, it's come out now. Same thing, we're gonna use knife and a screwdriver, minus screwdriver to remove this middle glass. Side is easy to remove it, but only camera side is hard to remove the glass. We're gonna use alcohol. Alcohol doesn't damage the camera, just on middle of the camera. Easy to remove. You cannot apply heat on top of that middle of that here. It's gonna be melted the lens. So do not use heat on top of the camera. Just use some alcohol on side and easy to remove it. We remove all broken glass. Now we're just cleaning some sticker tape like glue. Just clean it all side nicely. We don't want to keep any broken glass or previous glue. We're gonna nicely clean it. If you don't clean it nicely, it's gonna be up and down, and if you have little broken glass on top of that, if you try to press it new glass, it's gonna break. So make sure you have to clean it very nicely. Now we're gonna put it back all magnet. This has come out. We're using B7000 clear glue, and after install the glue, just wait 2 minutes, then we put back all magnet. Put back all magnet. Now we're gonna check on new glass, make sure it's fitted nicely. There is no gap between frame and glass. We're gonna check all side. It's up and down. We have to clean it before put the glue on it. So it's nicely attached on frame and glass. There is no gap between frame and glass. Now I'm gonna apply the glue all side and also middle. After apply the glue, we're gonna wait 2 minutes. and when it's dry, little bit glue. To do not wait too much time, just wait 2 minutes. Then we're gonna install the new glass. I'm gonna put back new glass now. This is the final installation, and make sure it's on center. Yeah, after press it, we're gonna clip it on 2-3 hour. 3 hour is better, more time is more better. Clip it on. After that, we're gonna remove it and clean it. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.